Greetings dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on a beautiful journey of mindful eating meditation. In this video, we'll guide you through a transformative experience that connects you deeply with your food and nourishes not only your body but also your soul. If you're ready to embrace the practice of mindful eating, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can join us for more mindful moments. Before we begin, let's take a moment to understand what mindful eating meditation is all about. It's a practice that merges mindfulness and eating, helping us savor each bite and cultivate a profound appreciation for the nourishment before us. Setting the stage for mindful eating meditation. Find a comfortable, quiet space where you can fully immerse yourself in this experience. Place your food in front of you and let go of any distractions. Now, let's embark on this mindful journey together. Guided mindful eating meditation. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and let go of the outside world. As you gently open your eyes, gaze upon your food. Notice its colors, shapes, and textures. Take a moment to express gratitude for this nourishment. Engaging your senses. Pick up a small piece of your food. Feel its texture between your fingers. Bring it close to your nose and inhale deeply, connecting with its aroma. Feel the anticipation building within you. Savoring each bite. Take a small bite and place the food on your tongue. Close your eyes and focus your attention on the flavors unfolding. Chew slowly, allowing the tastes to fully saturate your senses. Be present with each bite, cultivating mindful presence. As you continue eating, remain fully present in this moment. Notice any thoughts or distractions that arise, and gently guide your attention back to the experience of eating. Feel the gratitude and connection within you. Conclusion of the meditation. As you take the last bites, recognize the nourishment this meal provides to your body and soul. Take a deep breath and sit in stillness for a moment. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Thank you for sharing this mindful eating meditation with us. By infusing mindfulness into your meals, you're nurturing a profound connection with your food and your own being. If you found this meditation valuable, remember to give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more serene and enlightening content. Until next time, may your meals be filled with mindfulness and joy.